A 5.56 by 45mm short and lightweight assault rifle with great maneuverability, which makes it perfect for close-quarter battles and infantry troops. It has a multi-position telescopic stock, which gives adjustability as per physique, and a military standard 1913 Picatinny rail, which is compatible with optical, thermal, and night vision sights. The CW56 has a steel magazine with capacity of 30 rounds and is compatible with all the Stanag magazines. With the ability to fire 550 to 650 rounds per minute, the weapon can hit its target in the range of 400 yards. Available in semi-automatic and full automatic modes of operation, the CW56 is ready to prove itself in tactical operations.